Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Soroya and welcome back to Lessons from the Garden. Now we are going to do some harvesting today. So let's start with this cauliflower. This is our second one that we're going to harvest. There are some other plants, but I'm not seeing any head on those yet. So we're going to take this one. All right, so this is pretty as usual. So these leaves can be eaten as well. All right, guys, want to take a cucumber that is ready, but just to show you that these two are doing well. After trellis yesterday we got some rains and some wind, so I'll have to trellis this properly so that the fruits are well secured on the vine. Okay, the fruits are now well secured. Let's take the one that is ready for harvesting. All right, so this is the one that we're going to harvest. So again, we have to bag it because if we don't, then the fruit will get damaged. So this one is looking pretty good, and we are so grateful. God has been good, growing our own produce, really organic. Somebody mentioned to me this week, because I gave her some of our produce from the garden, and she was very amazed about the length of time it can be stored in her fridge as compared to when she buy the other fruits or products from the supermarket. So when you grow organically, yes, your food, your produce, they are stored pretty well and even for a longer time. And this one is a cucumber. It's looking very good. So we're going to have some. We're going to prepare some salad with this one for sure. Not sure what type or what we'll mix it with yet, but we're going to keep this one for a salad. Okay, I'm gonna harvest that squash now. Look at the tendril, it's pretty dry. I'm not sure if you can see from here, but the stem of it is also dry. You can see how brown it is. So I'm gonna take that one now. This is probably about a pound. The others are pretty big. This is the smallest one. We have more on the vine, but those are not ready yet. All right, so yeah, squash. It's a mystery squash, not a pumpkin as we thought, but we cooked the others and they tasted pretty good. We cook it in soup and in other stuff. So yeah, whatever it is, it's a form of squash. We did enjoy it. All right, guys, I'm going to bag these two before I pick some peppers. Trying to protect these two cucumbers. All right. Okay, that's it. And this tree is practically, well, part of it is dead because of the drought. Wasn't getting a lot of water. So part of it is dried up. But I think it will spring back to life because it has some green on it still. I'm gonna get some more. This is one from this tree, and I'm gonna get some more on this side. So there's another pepper plant on this side. I'm gonna get some more peppers from it. Alright guys, what you're looking at is a Kajari melon. So it is turning from this green state and now it is turning yellow and eventually it will turn a bright orange. Right, so and it will slip off the vine easily when it is well ripe. Alright, so this is a first time growing this melon, Kajari melon. So we're hoping that we like it. And then we plant out some more pretty soon. Alright guys, we're gonna get some baby chow from these two pipes. They contain some peanuts and some baby chow. So just get in the baby chows. And this is how small they will be. Just like that. A nice little bouquet of baby chow. Okay, the last thing we're gonna harvest is some spinach. And we have a wall of spinach right here. And this is coming from the neighbors. So we have been blessed to have this wall of spinach right here at our disposal. Well, not at our disposal. Well, yeah, at our disposal. Can just pick as we want. Okay, this is a metal container with one sweet potato vine in it. So by December we'll see what is in this, what it will produce. Alright, so we'll show you all of these, of course, by December. We have 3 containers of this and this is the smallest size. Alright, so this is ours. We have been picking from it a lot, so it's not as flush as the ones that you just saw, because we have been picking from this quite often. This is actually our spinach. So we have the red one and the green one, Malabar. Also, we have some that is coming from this pot. This one wants to fertilize. As you can see, the leaves are very yellow. Alright, so we pick the ones that are in the ground and doing well. Alright guys, so this is it for today, and we are encouraging you to start the garden one container at a time. This is organically produced and you can do it too. If we can do it, you can do it too. Alright, so we got cucumber, broccoli, a squash, lots of spinach, baby chow, and some peppers. So yes, so do start that backyard garden, one container at a time. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.